Okay, so here goes the shoe rack with most of his shoes on here, but it is running out of space. Cologne is here, and this is the little container I could find to put his little knickknacks and his hats, and then there's some up here that I tried to hang, so hopefully this will maximize a little bit more. Before. Here goes the IKEA bookshelf that we just put together. What I did was, I actually didn't come up with this idea until place the bookshelf in here, was to actually utilize the existing shoe rack. So I taken some of them apart and placed them on the shelf, but now instead of just using the shelf, we maximized, look, you can get 2 levels here, and quite a bit more down there fit on this wall, and we'll still have the door, you know, so your bedroom door. And as you see, it's tucked behind here is the little bookcase from IKEA. Here's before. The professional Dawn from Sam's Club. What I do is place it here in this little container. So you have the Dawn here, and then this is hand soap. I just switched out this container. It is from the Container Store as well. I'm so happy now that I have 2 for the soap and the detergent. This is from my last one that I had, so I just used the sponge. It is a sponge container on the back, but I like the one on the side, so there we go. This, I just took the last one apart. Here goes another little hack, since we are in this small apartment with no laundry storage room or anything like that. I'm using this basket that I purchased from Ross. It's so cute. I'm actually looking for another one to stow beside here to put all of the toilet tissue and things like that. But anyway, these towels were taking up so much room on this little IKEA shelf, so I decided to place the basket of towels here. The ones in use are on the back of the door on the hooks. So this is working out so well. And then up here is all of the, I need to get a bigger little basket. This one came from the Dollar Tree, but it's working for now. They just got a new pack of wash rags, so I'm gonna get them washed up and placed in the basket, just roll them and place them in there. But yeah, here goes this little organization hack. It definitely saves space and all of that and stuff on the shelves. So now that I can stow like my different mask and my little container for lashes and stuff like that. So that's what I have here on this little shelf. Okay, really quickly, I just wanted to share, this is what I did with these little stackable bins. I separated them, placed potatoes in this one, and then here just has a few extra snacks, but you can stack them on top of each other. Really convenient. I like the sides, it's really good. I use little bins to stow the bottles of water, and then like here is like snacks and extra juice and, you know, things like that.